Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2021 Toyota Supra GR. The point of our walk arounds is simple, to show you cosmetic imperfections which will not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights the features and options of the Supra, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see any of those and get a free CARFAX report, a free original window sticker, financing options, and a shipping quote for anywhere in the country, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Also, at the end of this video, we'll allow you to hear the motor of this Supra and also the exhaust note. So please join us for that. Thank you for joining us. Let's do the walk around. All right, everyone, we're going to do that quick walk around on this Supra. I say quick because there is literally one imperfection to show you, and it's a microscopic chip right here on the hood. This vehicle has been ceramic coated, and other than that one minuscule chip, there is not another mark, scratch, ding, or dent anywhere around this brand new Supra. It's got almost 10,000 miles on it, and it shows. Give you a quick preview of the interior. All right, a quick sneak peek of this flawless, like new interior. Beautiful dash. This one is a must-see, guys. It's brand new.